Hello, this is Brandon P.T. Davis, theatrical scenic designer, and in this Vectorworks tutorial, I'm going to talk to you about classes and design layers. Design layers are another method in which Vectorworks users can organize the information in their drawing. Conceptually, the design layer is similar to traditional drafting standards. A designer could use sheets of paper or vellum to draw elements of their design on specific pages, such as the base layer being the architectural drafting, and on top have the scenic ground plan, and stacked on top of that there could be the lighting plot. In order to illustrate the function of the design layers, I'm going to show you the production file from University of California Irvine's production of the Pajama Game. Within the file, you will find the drafted out ground plan. This ground plan is a 3D hybrid symbol, meaning it has a 2D and 3D elements tied to it, shown here. To find the layers, you will go to the navigation palette. The second tab with the 3 pieces of paper stacked is the navigation tablet. In the navigation tablet, you will find the design layers names in the center, and to the right, you will find the stacking order. To the left, similar to classes, you can adjust the visibility. In this file, we have set ground plan, architectural stage ground plan, architectural house ground plan. There are a few other layers, but in this example, these are the ones that really matter. I'm going to now adjust this into a right isometric view. As you can see, we have the stage in 3 dimensions. We can now alter the visibility of the house ground plan from visible to off. We can now easily see the inside of the proscenium arch. If you wanted to work on the ground plan without having the hindrance of the architecture, we can also turn this element off as well. These elements here are the scenic design elements that were used within the production. To further explain how visibilities can continue to work, I will now go and show you the class system within the file. We can toggle through the different scenes by clicking on the visibility, and we will be able to see the different scenes within the production. I've now opened a blank file to show you how the design layers work when opening a new project. The design layers, as mentioned before, are in the Navigation Design Layers tab. Typically, when you start a new file, the standard for Vectorworks is to name the design layer Design Layer -1. If I were to duplicate this Design Layer -1, it will auto-name itself Design Layer -2. In order to edit or modify the current design layer 1, there's a number of ways we can accomplish this. First, we can right-click to edit. We can also double-click on the design layer organization and view the design layers within the file from there. Similar to the palette, the organization palette has visibility, design layer name, stacking order, and scale. Again, these elements beyond are more tied towards architecture and not going to be covered in this video. In order to edit the design layer, we simply have to click Edit, Design Layer. We can name Scenic Ground Plan. S for Scenic and GP as an abbreviation for ground plan. You can also modify the scale of the design layer. In order for your files to work in unison, it is important that all design layers are the same scale. typically we work in 1/4 inch or 1/48 scale. Stacking order can then be modified manually in the Edit Design Layers palette. Below are the architectural elements which we will not be covering. I can now press OK. Now the set ground plane layer has been created. I'm now going to create a new design layer. I'm going to call this one L-ground plan for the lighting ground plan. I'm going to press OK. As we can see, without going to edit, the attributes of the design layers are similar and they are both the same scale. The name and the visibility are the same. The stacking order has the ground plan layer on top and the Scenic ground plan layer on bottom. We can shuffle this by sliding the ground plan order, so now the Scenic ground plan is on top and the lighting ground plan is on the bottom. In order to show you how these ground plan layers work within stacking, I'm going to draw a couple of circles. The first circle I'm drawing on the lighting ground plan layer. We know this because the lighting ground plan layer is currently checked. Now I'm going to draw a smaller circle on the Scenic ground plan layer. This smaller circle is now drawn. If we change the stacking order of the ground plan layers, we now see that the lighting ground plan is now on top with the larger circle. We can modify how we view the design layers through the layer options. Currently, Gray Snap Others is turned on. This function can be changed to Show Others, so now we can see both, but we cannot snap to the layers below. If you want to show and snap onto the layers, simply change the layer options to Show Snap Others. We can also adjust this with Show Snap Modify Others, though I do not recommend this as it can make your file confusing. This concludes the Vectorworks tutorial session on classes and design layers. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.